Jasmy is dumping. However, I feel that a massive move for Jasmy will be coming really soon. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are gonna be analyzing Jasmy and I'm gonna be telling you the next possible move which I personally believe is going to be happening for Jasmy. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350% and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the altcoin season index, and as you can see that right now we are in a Bitcoin season. Now even though we are seeing some upward movement for the altcoins in general, but guys, still at this moment we are in a Bitcoin season. As you can see, we are on scale 16 on this massive scale. Now whenever we drop below 25, that basically means that we are in a heavy Bitcoin season and Bitcoin is going to be showing us all those movements. However guys, whenever we go above in the 40ish range, we truly know that altcoins are gonna be pumping and we are and should be expecting some heavy price movements towards the upside. Now even though Jasmy pumped up yesterday, you can see that we only went up by about 4 points on this altcoin season index. We jumped up from about 12 to about 16. Now this might sound like a huge move because Jasmy recently just pumped up. However guys, on the altcoin season chart you can see that this move was nothing as comparison to what we are expecting. Now guys, if we check out the previous times as well when Jasmy was moving, or say when the altcoin season was upon us, you will be able to see something really interesting on this chart over here. So guys, right over here you can see that we reached almost a altcoin season at about 46. However guys, you will be able to see we saw a quick rejection towards the downside and we came down to about 12 right over here. If I can just put it on right over there. Yeah. So we came down to 12. However, after that we saw some consolidation playing out and then eventually we pumped up to, and we also reached about 96 on this chart, which basically means the heaviest volatility for the altcoins and heaviest upwards movement for altcoins. Anyways guys, you can see that from that moment onwards we fell down once again. However, if we check out this chart right over here and compare it with this movement right over here, you will be able to see some really good similarities. So as you can see, we saw this massive pump before that, and from this chart as well you can see we saw a massive pump before this movement. Now we came down and it was heavy Bitcoin season. However, after that we flipped towards the upside and as you can see we saw some crazy altcoin season happening with us. This exact same movement is going to be playing out as well, because that is something which I personally believe. Your opinion might be something different, but this is something which I truly believe in, because we are due for the altcoin season and it should be coming really soon. Anyways, with that being said, let me take you over to the Jasmy charts and show you what has basically been happening. Now guys, for those of you who are new, I have already mentioned this previously on my channel as well. I believe this price point right over here at about 0.0027 was the low for Jasmy for the previous Bitcoin rally, or say for the previous bearish rally. From this moment onwards, we started to form this massive Elliott wave structure, which comprises of 5 waves towards the upside. Now, if you check out this chart right over here, you will be able to see that Jasmy is doing exactly which I had predicted in my previous videos as well. Now, let me tell you what I personally believe is the most likely move for Jasmy in the upcoming times. So guys, you already know that whenever, or say right now as we are in the third wave, it is going to be comprising of 5 waves towards the upside. So it's not going to be going over in just a linear motion. Instead, we are going to be seeing 5 waves towards the upside, and that is the most likely scenario. So if we take this wave to bottom as the starting of the wave 1, or say the starting of the massive wave 3, you can see we bumped up in wave number 1, came down in a wave number 2, we pumped up in wave number 3, and right now we are coming down in wave number 4. Now I believe that in the next price movement towards the upside, we are going to be breaking this resistance level, and we are going to be going beyond this price point at about 0.0083, and when we go above it, I do expect some instant movement to about 0.010. This is personally my target for Jasmy in the immediate short term. I do expect that, when we reach this price point right over here, we are going to be retesting this resistance level, which will then be turned into a support level. This is the most likely scenario Jasmy is going to be playing out in the immediate short term. Now, if we check out the Fibonacci retracement levels, you will be able to see something really interesting as well. So guys, right over here you can see that we reached this resistance level right over here at about 0.0075. However, we saw a quick rejection from this level, and right now we are finding some support in between the 0.5 pocket level, or say 0.382. Now if we drop below 0.0058, I do expect that my situation on Jasmy will be changing, and I do expect that then we are going to be seeing a massive dump. However, I personally don't believe that it is going to be playing out anytime soon, because then we have some another support levels at about 0.0052 as well. I personally believe we are going to be pumping up really soon, and this time we are going to be breaking this wave 1 high at about 0.0083. Now if we check out the indicators, you will be able to see that we were practically overbought on the RSI right over here. You can see we even reached about 81 on the RSI. But even though the price was increasing right over here, as you can see, the RSI was decreasing, and this is basically a bearish formation pattern. And you already know that whenever the price goes up and the RSI is going down, we should be expecting a fall towards the downside, and this is what exactly happened. Right now, for the first time in a while, you can see that RSI is on an all-time low at about 39. Now even though the RSI is on 39, I would still basically call it like we are practically in the middle. However, we are basically 25% more on the selling side. Now if I open the MACD indicator, you will be able to see that we saw this buying pressure coming in. After that, we saw some selling pressure coming in, and you can see that we were about to flip bullish. However, we were not really able to do that, and we saw some selling pressure racking up. Now right now the selling pressure is increasing, but I do expect that this selling pressure will be over really soon, and when it will be over, I do expect Jasmy to continue towards the upside, towards its massive movement towards the upside. Now if we check out the length of this selling pressure, you will be able to see that this is something really good news, by the way, because this is the first time that the selling pressure has increased. If you check out the length of this candle, you will be able to see that the last time we were on this level was at about this time right over here, which was really long days ago. So I personally believe a massive move is coming for Jasmy. This is just a bit of a short dump, or say a short breather, which we are taking before the preparation of a final rally towards the upside, which will be completing our third Elliott wave. This is gonna be pretty much my analysis from Jasmy. By the way guys, if you want to earn some serious money while trading crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my trade setups which I am using in order to make some pretty insane amount of money in crypto. Now in the past couple of months, we have been really successful, and just yesterday also we secured a profit of about 180 to about 200%, which is absolutely insane. So if you guys want to know more about it, make sure you guys sign up using the link in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting is absolutely insane. Personally, if I was you I would consider the $30 as an investment instead of an expense, because that $30 investment is going to be helping you to make tons of money as compared to some of your other investments out there. By the way guys, one more thing which I just noticed right over here, you can see that even if we check out this downward sloping trend line, we can see that Jasmy saw some pretty good support right over here at about 0.0060, and this is a really important level for Jasmy, and at this moment you can see that we are holding this level. So we have, we shouldn't really be having any doubts that Jasmy is going to be flipping towards the bearish side. However, anything can happen in this market, so that's why I will tell you guys to not take any sort of short trades right now, but also not go long, because right now we just have to take a breather and see what the price is going to be doing in the coming few days. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll catch you all tomorrow with another update video on Jasmy. Peace out.